Now, I don't know whether or not this is going to show up on the video, but what I want you to see is how that there are some shiny spots and then some dull spots. And that might be fairly clear. I can see it from where I am. And I'll explain the importance of these in the written explanation of this. But basically, what you're seeing is where two pieces were glued together. This piece, I can't get it far enough away. This piece was glued to this piece, and it stopped working. The unit stopped working, and it was my determination that air was getting in to the valve well, into the pouch well. Air was getting into the pouch well from around the perimeter of the bellow. This bellow was glued on with PVCe glue, and as I've been saying for a long time, the problem with PVCe glue is that one of the problems with PVCe glue is that it continues to evaporate for years after pieces are glued together. And while they may appear to have a good seal when they're new, when the glue is still fresh and wet, even though it's making a good bond and holding things together, as it continues to dry out over the years, you end up with voids. And that's what all the shiny spots are. All those shiny spots that you see on this piece of wood there, every single one of those is a void through which air can pass. And as a result of these voids, air gets into the pouch well and activates the pouch and activates the valve. So although the unit appears to be very airtight on the outside, once you open it up, you see that it's not so airtight.